Hi, Colette Florido with CRW Network, and I'm here at the MJ BizCon. Today we're talking with Ron, and Ron is here with Sana Packaging, and Sana does something very unique in this space. They are using plant matter, right, for your and other earthly items. Can you tell us a little bit more about what you're doing?
Yep. So, our goal here is to provide the cannabis industry with sustainable packaging options. Our first line is a 100% plant-based line. We're using hemp hurd to make a biocomposite. It's just hemp and corn. And then our other product line that we just started producing is a ocean plastic line, reclaimed ocean plastic. Company that we work with, they collect the plastic, sort the plastic, clean the plastic. We purchase the resin pellets, and then we manufacture them.
How much plastic does somebody need to produce, say, one of those jars?
So I think that jar is about 40 grams, but maybe for like an easy number to, for that container, we for about 100 pounds of plastic, we get about 1,000 of them. Gotcha. So that makes that's an easier number to comprehend. So lots of ocean plastic coming out. So we're looking at purchasing 50,000, 100,000 pounds of resin to produce millions of units of ocean plastic. And then the same goes for the hemp-based line. Our whole vision is really to localize packaging. Try to use materials from an individual industry to create packaging for that industry to keep it circular within that industry. So industries can be responsible for the waste that they create.
Very smart. And can you walk us through a few of the different ways it's being applied?
Yeah, so our first two products, basically it's a container and a tube, kind of knocking off big volume movers and needs in the industry basically. So, the container can be used for flour, edibles, concentrates, can even put vape cartridges in there. And then the tube, pretty basic. It's for joints, vape pens, and then also cartridges as well. Obviously, we hope to have a whole line of products. We just launched about 2 months ago, so as we grow, we hope to give solutions to the industry.
And with the materials that you're using, what is the biggest challenge that you're faced with in trying to educate people to convert into this?
Yeah, so there's a lot of education that goes on here. One of them is kind of educating people on the world of recycling and what's going on there, educating people on the world of biodegradability, what's going on there, educating on the world of compostability and what's going on there, and kind of the the economics that dictate whether these are marketable products and they work in an industry. And so, our vision is for 100% plant-based material for single-use plastic, but it's also dealing with the realities of our waste system, recycling system, composting systems at the time being, trying to show that there's a demand for this stuff in society so that these new facilities can come online and make a market for it.
Are they competitive in cost to other plastic packaging?
So right now we kind of see ourselves like right in the middle in terms of cannabis packaging. We're obviously a premium packaging company, but our main goal is to help solve a problem in the industry. And so with that, we really want to figure out ways to get our price points down to a point where we're never going to be on par as the cheapest plastic out there. But our tubes are 25 cents, traditional tubes about 10 cents. So it's more expensive, but we found that people in this industry really want to do the right thing, and that's why we are focused so much in finding these, the new brands that really want to make an impact in a new emerging industry and stop the waste issue.
Awesome. So are you only working with the biggest of manufacturers, or do you have small companies, entrepreneurs that are just starting out that are packaging with you?
Yeah, so right now we're still in a pilot phase program. We have about 17 customers. They vary in size. I wouldn't say we've taken on the biggest of big customers yet. We very much so, just making sure that all the pieces are working, supply chain, and but hopefully, that is our goal. We want this to be the norm in the industry. We want as many people as possible making sustainable packaging. This is a global issue. It's not just like a cannabis issue. Right. And so, that's what we're looking to do is, really push the narrative, show that there's options out there, and then as these new technologies with plastics and different materials come about, we can integrate with those. Awesome.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you, Ron. If you'll tell us where can they find more about your company, what website?
Yeah, so we're Sana Packaging, sanapackaging.com. We also have an Instagram where we always post a lot of content, so that's always a good place to check out. Or you can always shoot me an email, ron@sanapackaging.com, and I'll get back to you.
Awesome. Well, thank you for doing your part to help not only use this industry to elevate it and help it to stay on top of the environment as well. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys grow. Thanks so much. Colette Florido with CRW Network. Thanks for tuning in to Cannabis, brought to you by CR World. To keep up with the latest in CBD and cannabis-related business, Be sure to subscribe to our show.